You're watching the Abbe's Golden Girls and Guys show, where Abbe Chain helps you get and stay fit while having fun in the comfort of your own home. Abbe shares healthy and delicious recipes, and there's always something new going on, so you need to hurry up and get in on the fun.
Hi everyone, this is Abbe Chain with Abbe's Golden Girls and Guys. What I do is I teach men and women over the age of 50 online exercise classes. You know, when the pandemic happened, I had to close my doors where I was teaching, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna try this on Zoom. And all of a sudden my business grew. So I teach on Mondays and I teach on Thursdays. Mondays I teach a chair yoga class. Thursdays I teach a strength training class, and you'll hear more about that. But today is casual salad day in the Chain household. Now I have to tell you about my salad. Most of my recipes only take about maybe 3 or 4 ingredients, because guess what? We are very, very busy people, so we don't want to spend hours and hours in our kitchen. But I always make time to make sure that we nourish our bodies with really, really healthy food. Because here's the deal, okay? If I don't have the energy and I don't have the good nutrition in my body to keep up with my busy day, how else am I going to run all day long? It's like your car. If your car's on empty, you're not going to get really far. And most people forget to eat at least 3 times a day: morning, lunch, breakfast, and maybe a healthy snack in between, just to keep you going. So like I said, today I'm going to show you how I make my wonderful salad. Now let me tell you about this wonderful salad. My dad, God bless him, is 92 years old, lives about 2 hours south of me, and whenever I come to his house, you know what he says? Abbe, are you going to make your wonderful salad? I go, anything for you, Papa. So, I have many ingredients here today. This is probably one of my only dishes that really involve more ingredients. So I go and I just buy romaine lettuce. You could either buy it already cut up in the bag. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly just slice up my lettuce. Okay, get rid of that. And I'm just gonna make sure that I slice it up in really, not too many tiny pieces, but just enough. And I always, of course, wash all of my vegetables, and I make sure they're all dried out. And then I'm just gonna put this in my salad bowl. Sometimes for dinner, handsome husband Alan and I'll make this wonderful salad, and I'll just add some grilled chicken to it. I'll add some, maybe some sauteed salmon, maybe some sauteed shrimp, because you know what? That's protein. And every meal should contain a protein, a low carbohydrate, and a healthy fat. Okay, so next I'm going to do is I take a pear and I cut up my pear. I like my salad to be crunchy and healthy. So I cut up my pear already. And once again, I did mention that I'm really, really busy. So sometimes in the morning, I'll already prep by chopping everything, putting it in Tupperwares. And this way, when it's salad time, voila. I just put everything in my bowl. Okay, so I have my pear. Now I have a beautiful green pepper. And you could use other colors if you want. If you want to use a red pepper or a yellow pepper and make it nice and colorful, why not? Okay. I also like to add a little bit of my low carb, my strawberries, and that gives it really great flavor. So I just add some strawberries on there, and it doesn't really matter the order that you put your salad in, because at the very end, I'm gonna just mix it all up. Okay, now, I told you about healthy fats, avocado, okay? So I go ahead and I put my avocado in there, and I always like to serve some nice red onion, and then of course I always provide after dinner mints, just in case, you know, you want to get a little smoochy on the couch and you have onion breath. We'll get rid of that right away. Okay, then I like to buy a little, these are called fresh mozzarella, and they come 3 to a package, and they come packaged like this. I get that obviously in the cheese, and all I do is I just take a little bit, and I don't use a lot of cheese, I don't use a lot of dairy. Women and dairy, sometimes you don't always get along, and I know women love cheese and they love their bread. So everything, like I said, is in moderation, and sometimes there are nights that maybe you want to have a little bit more bread, or you might want to have a little bit more cheese. That's okay. Now, this I love. I buy these, this is like a salad topper, okay, and it is called Pomegranate-Honey-Walnut Fusion. Okay, it's a bunch of dried, so it has pomegranate flavored dried cranberries and honey roasted walnuts. Earlier I said I like the crunch, so I add that to my salad. Okay, I'll add a little bit more raisins to my salad, just a little bit more sweetness. Like I said, it's like a meal, and most often, this is the salad I serve when we have company, so people know when they come to our house, they're going to get Abby's famous salad. Like I said, I also like it crunchy, so I'm gonna add some pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are amazing for you. They're not really high in fat like cashews. And you could also make these as a snack, and maybe one day I'll share that recipe with you as well. So, you know, when you entertain, you don't always have to put out over-fattening appetizers. You could put out healthy appetizers, and again, it could be delicious, and people are gonna feel good afterwards. Okay, now, I am going to show you the key. Everybody always asks me, what is the salad dressing that you put on? This particular salad dressing is just a perfect mix, okay? It's from Panera's, and it's called poppy seed dressing. And I put it on my salad beforehand, because I could tell you there's never any salad left, so it doesn't get all soggy. And if it does, if there's a little bit left, I don't care, I'll eat it the next day. Soggy salad, it all goes down the same way. So I add a little bit of this, okay? And then I take my fancy little salad mixers, I mix it all up. Oh my gosh, you should see. I am so impressed with the color and the presentation of this salad. What do you think? Well, now I have to go taste. So I'm just gonna take a little bit because, you know, a handsome husband and I are gonna actually sit down and have this for dinner tonight. So I'm just gonna put this in here, and I'm gonna really take, and the pear, don't forget the pear. And it really doesn't matter what kind of pear you get, whether it's a Bartlett pear or a different color, a different type of pear, it's all good. Let me just run over here, go and get my fork. Here it goes. Abby's salad. It doesn't even have a name, so I just named it Abby's salad. Why not? Oh, to die for. To die for. All antioxidants, some of it. We have some fruit in here for your low carbs. We have some seeds in here. Nuts are always good for your high fat, and also for your avocado. It's also, and this is great. I put it in my Tupperware. I just put my lid on it, put it in the refrigerator, and just bring it out. So, if you like, I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guess what? You could even put a comment in there, because other people are going to read the comments, and that's how this is going to grow. I want to share my wonderful recipes with everybody. And all the recipes will be printed out on my website, and I would love for you to email me, abby's.goldengirls@gmail.com, and maybe you just want to have a private conversation with me. Maybe you want to ask a little bit more about my salad. Maybe you want to ask what more I could add to it, or my previous channels, I had my juice, my smoothie. Maybe you want to ask if you could add some cocoa to it, or whatever. So I love the communication. That's how we build. So once again, if you really like my channel, would you please just hit subscribe and like? And again, just add a comment. And I look forward to you all. And if you ever want to try one of my classes, I may have said this before, but I do offer a free trial week. And all you have to do again is email me at abby's.goldengirls@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to speak with you personally and get you on board. So have a great day, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed watching me make my wonderful salad, and I'll see you next month. Bye!
Thanks for watching the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys show. New live videos every week. Ask a friend to sign up for a free trial at vegero.com/Abby's Golden Girls.